makes that sound so obnoxious, doesn't it?
Hi.
So I'm here in my PJs, bare face, looking like a corpse, and I did her makeup basically.
When they see the beginning of the video.
My face is so round. Oh my god, look at this chubbiness. Anyways, today's my sister's going out. She wanted me to do her makeup, so I did this really like glammy look. I created this kind of like really silvery brown, I don't even know what it's called, but it's a halo eye with a bit of a cut crease and a nude lip. You can't go wrong with this look. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look on my sister, and I also showed you guys how I did the hair, well kinda, not that much, but yeah, I did the hair on camera as well. Anyways, we'll jump straight onto it. If you guys like it, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up while you're watching, and if you're new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll jump straight into it. Right guys, so she's barefaced. I am going to put some mask on. I got this face mask from eBay. It's the Kiwi, I don't even know what brand it is, but I'll link it in the info box. I don't know why like she's so low. What? Oh, okay. No, don't. Okay, just sit normally.
I'm gonna sit like this.
Yeah, I know. She's the type of people when you do your makeup, she's like this.
Oh, well, you better not pull my hair. When I was younger, you were aggressive with my hair.
Yeah, well, I'll keep pulling it. Are you gonna slouch even more? I'm gonna put these on. Can you please get rid of this hair? Oh, it smells so nice. Like literally, smell that. I like want to eat it.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh.
Why? Is it cold? What? Is it burning?
No.
So what the hell? Drama queen. Oh my god, this one's the biggest drama queen.
Don't make me laugh, it's gonna fall off. Oh my.
I like to put the product like a bit, spread it about.
Do you know what it smells like? In India, we used to have those like jelly, like things in a shape.
Oh yeah, it does.
It smells like an apple one.
You've got lots of dryness there. These feel really hydrating, I do have to say. And it does say leave pads on for can't read. Leave on for 5 to 15 minutes. Remove pads after use. Okay, now we're gonna go onto the hair.
You're gonna do my hair while these things on my face. Oh, that one in the middle. You just pushed me back to where I was.
Oh, you said you wanted the braid to go all the way down, right?
If you can.
Up. Okay.
Ow.
Thank you very much. Trust me, you don't want me to be doing your hair, but
wait,
okay.
this one's itching.
Why is it itching? It hydrates. Okay. Stupid me did not bring a clip. The stupid clock. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, is that why you always take it off?
Yeah. Wait. This woman put hairspray and knots everywhere.
Why are you brushing it?
Because I can't do the braid if
Oh my god.
I can't do the braid if there's knots.
You're taking out all my curls?
No, it's not.
That looks so disgusting now.
She's saying that looks disgusting. Isn't that a curl? Look, compared to that bush over there.
That's an ugly curl.
You can try. I swear this girl's so picky, man. Oh. Now I'm going to do it wrong now. I'm off now. Do you want to take it off? Tie it, or do you want me to spread out the braids to make them look thick?
Yeah, spread them out a bit. But you can do that at the end, can't you?
Yeah, though.
Did you hear mommy give me a pep talk earlier?
About what?
She was like, listen to me. And I was doing my nails. She's like, no, look at me when I tell you this. Listen to me, look at me. And I looked at her and started laughing. And then she was like, make sure that when you have a drink, you do not put it down. You finish it and you get a new one. I was like, okay.
Well, that's true though. You don't know what anyone can put in your drink. You don't trust anyone. Unless you're with someone that you trust proper.
Funny the way she was talking.
Mommy don't joke around with that kind of stuff.
I kept laughing.
Do you know, it's so funny. If you saw my mum how she was when I was her age and how she is with her, two different things, okay? Saying that I got it the hard way is an understatement.
This little hair is annoying me so much. Like I might
It don't
have to shave
matter.
it.
No, I'll put it away with brow gel.
Brow gel, what the hell?
Brow gel, yeah, that's what I do. That's how I sort out my middle part. And you guys know, like, you don't watch my tutorials.
Well, I don't watch a video of you when I see you all the time at home.
I was asking her about my thumbnails, and I'd be like, be honest. Be honest with me, okay? And then I was just like, this girl don't hold back to be honest with me. She tells it straight up. If I look ugly, she'll be like, no, take it off. Made smooth, you guys. Okay, wait. Let me use this.
You look nice.
Yeah, can you turn in the light, please? Really nice. Look back. Tilt your head back.
I feel a little better when I have my makeup on.
Yeah, but because you have black hair, it's hard to see, but stay like that. Because your hair's black, it's really hard to see the braids if you're not in real life. Like, go straight. Look down. The braids in the back.
Look nice.
I think it looks nice. I mean, it's not something that I'm really out over the top. Like, I'm not a hairstylist or anything. I don't have my precision scissors, so I'm gonna get big scissors.
Oh my god.
These hairs are way too long, man. What the hell are you growing a forest here? You're gonna help pollution?
Shut up.
Wait, we can see the other eye. Can you please talk about something instead of looking at me?
I'll take that in your face. Wait, it's not too zoomed in. I saw you zoomed in.
When I used to work on a counter, people would just stare at me in the face, and I'm just so used to it now. See all my imperfections. You're such a weirdo. You're the one with the weird shaped nostrils.
Yeah, this one's uneven to this one.
You know, you can see your nostrils even when you're looking straight.
It's because yours are like there and mine like go like that.
You're on the side.
Mine are like that. Yours are like this.
Real, yeah.
Keep it like that.
You need to explain to me why you didn't do your eyebrows when you're going to an event.
Because I don't know where to get them done. They look a bit
Yeah, well, fill that in. Give me 2 seconds. Right, then we're gonna use some of my Fenty Beauty primer. That's more than enough.
My lips burn. Even worse.
I'm not touching your lips.
Yeah, you're going like this.
Oh my god. You know someone wrote burp equals unsubscribe.
Bye.
What do you have to
See
say
ya.
about that?
Go. We don't want you here.
Yeah, I'm now going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12 as her eye base. So can you please look down for me? Okay, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty palette because the browns in this palette are very intense and that's what I want for this look. And I'm just going to grab the shade Bay here, creasing my concealer.
Should I just close my eyes?
Yes, please. closing.
You said look down.
Same thing. Looking up, looking down does not mean open your eyes. Okay, I'm using the shade Sandalwood as a transition colour. I think I'm going to do like a halo eye, but with like a bit of a cut crease in the centre. And we're going to use some silvers and browns.
There's a video you filmed on me. It's the one where which one is? The one where I had that choker on, like the black thin choker, and I had that dress on, the silver, the velvet grey one.
I don't remember that.
And yeah, there's a video you made on it, and I was watching it the other day. And oh my god, you know when I'm posting at the end? Most disgusting thing. Because my lip, I don't know what you did to my lip. My lip was like smaller here, and I was like, it was so ugly.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the colour Cocoa, that's the most brownish colour. I don't want to bring it too high because I want to be able to have that transition colour still. It's the royal one that I put on your hand. Oh. Do you know what I mean by Huda Beauty shadows? Beautiful! The cool thing that I bought recently is this eye paint by L'Oreal. Focus. This one's in the shade 205 Cocky Bisque. And it's just like a stunning like silver. Beautiful.
Who comes up with these stupid names?
Okay, we're gonna take a small brush. We're gonna and then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow by Bobbi Brown, this sparkle eyeshadow.
Oh, my nose is so itchy.
And I'm just gonna press that on top. I got sent some Rimmel stuff in this like influencer box. I'm dropping everything. I'm gonna use this ink liner, Eye and Body liner by Rimmel. I really like their liners. This one's got like a brush like this. It's a bit thicker than the Glam Eyes that I always use, but it's still quite thin. Kajal. You close your eyes now.
You said down.
Do you know when I do eyeliner, other people actually hold my breath? And then while I'm letting that dry, I'm going to put some glue on my Huda Beauty lashes in Jade. Just putting a bit of lash sensational on her eyelashes. Look straight for me. No, yeah, just look straight. I didn't tell you to look up or open your eyes, big googly eyes. Okay, that's it for now, guys. I'm going to do the other eye. I'll be right back because I need to charge my camera. So guys, we're back. We finished the eyes. What do you guys think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use some of my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation. The Fenty Beauty foundation brush.
Oh, you meant for moisturiser?
I did already.
Even.
Hmm? What? Oh, the lipstick.
That video traumatized me.
Really? I need to watch it now. Okay, so now I'm going to use some of C12 of the Makeup Revolution Concealer again, and I'm just going to apply this under her eyes.
Doesn't have the best smell.
It smells normal.
It smells artificial.
She's chatting shit. This smells alright. It doesn't, obviously it doesn't have that fresh scent like the Tarte Shape Tape one has.
Well, you got 3 of them?
Yeah, I bought them.
Wait, is one you gave me the right colour then?
Yeah, the one I gave you is 12, which I first used.
Like the makeup I have now is probably going to last me till my birthday, and then on my birthday I'll actually feel Damn, this is actually really nice.
Now I'm going to use some of my Kat Von D loose setting powder. I'm just going to quickly set her under eyes. Look up. I'm not going to put too much powder like on her face and stuff because her skin's already quite dry.
Makeup does wonders.
Just enhances your features. I'm now going to use this NYX matte bronzer in Deep. For highlighter, I'm going to use this Nip+Fab Stroboscopic palette. I'm going to use a mixture of this shade and this shade.
I feel like my face is going to make up for the stupidity at the bottom of my dress. That's why I hate being tall.
You shouldn't.
I got like it in my prom dress, to be fair.
Look this way. Yeah, but you got that from House of Fraser, like. That's like good quality. A pink boutique, I don't know.
The dress is nice in general though.
I'm going to finish off my Smashbox Prime Water. There's only a little bit left in here. Has to be that mist, do you know what I mean? I'm using the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Spice Girl.
You better contour it properly.
Yes. You smile. She literally leaves her lips like this, and if you could just do that with her lip. Like, how am I supposed to put lip liner on that? And then I'm going to use this theBalm Meet Matte Hughs in Charismatic.
What's that?
Liquid
lipstick.
Yeah. Your face. It's peppermint. My sister's lips more on the dry side today, so we did pop some of the Wonderkiss gloss on top of the liquid lipstick. And now I'm using some of my Clinique High Impact Custom Black Kajal in Blackened Black, if you look up. And I'm just going to take some of the dark brown cocoa. Can you put mascara on your lower lashes? I'm just getting her to do that. Look what she did, guys, to my makeup. She's actually so annoying.
What's this?
Oh my lord. Move. If you didn't mess up your mascara,
Yes.
I wouldn't be having to deal with this right now. Okay guys, that's the end of this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of get ready with my sister, but I'm actually doing her makeup. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Oh my god, look, oh, I think it's
actually pretty good.
I feel like it's best I don't come in this video. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos with her, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you next time.